Imagine running a YouTube channel that uploads daily without ever showing your face or spending hours editing. Welcome to Trending Algorithm, where we unlock the secrets of YouTube automation for you. Today, I'll guide you on creating a self-sustaining YouTube automation channel with just one video a day. A YouTube automation channel is all about systems, not individuals. It's a blend of tools and teams that handle scripting, voiceovers, editing, and uploading for you. Think of channels like Top 10 Luxury or Motivation to Study. They earn while you strategize. You don't need a big team, you just need the right tools to make it happen. Here's how your daily video system works. First, use ChatGPT to craft a 2-4-minute script on trending topics. Next, generate voiceovers with 11 Labs or Play.ht for that perfect influencer sound. Then grab visuals from stock footage sites like Pexels or Pictory to enhance your content. Editing is a breeze with tools like CapCut or Descript, quick and easy. Finally, schedule your daily uploads using YouTube Studio and let the algorithm do its magic. Choosing the right niche is crucial for success. Look for evergreen topics that consistently attract views, like motivation, tech trends, or finance. Use Google Trends to find what's hot and what's not in your niche. Keywords and tags are your best friends for growth. Make sure to include your main keyword in the title and description's first 25 words. Add long tail tags like YouTube Automation Tutorial and AI YouTube Channel to boost visibility. For channel tags, think YouTube Automation and Passive Income YouTube to attract the right audience. Keep your thumbnails clear and eye-catching. They're your click magnets. Once you hit monetization with 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours, it's time to scale up. Consider outsourcing voiceovers and hiring editors to enhance your content quality. Remember, automation means working smarter, not harder. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to Trending Algorithm. Consistency plus automation equals growth. See you in the next video.